Hello again. The first project we're going to make today is this cute Valentine 3D pouch. It's really cute. You can do it with your children. When it's done, it stands on its own. You can place hard candies, you could place chocolates, you could put movie theater tickets in there, and you could use them right at the table to mark everyone's place where they'll be sitting for your Valentine Day dinner. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is take a piece of 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, and we're going to make an 8.5 by 8.5 inch square. And once that's done, you're going to go ahead and score this piece in half diagonally. And I can do that by hand using my scorer, or I can use my cutting scoring machine here. So now that I have that done, I'm going to go ahead and fold this paper in half, matching my corners. And again, I can use my fingers or I can use my scoring tool to make a nice tight score. All right, and then we're going to move on to the next step where we're going to fold the pouch. You're going to mark it at 3.5 inches. You're going to fold one corner up to 3.5 inches and fold. Again, using your scoring tool. Take the other end, score it up to the other 3.5 mark, and just go ahead and press it down and score. Fold your top edge down, and that is step one.